Far away, but still I've been close. Oh yeah, you should know I'm still holding on. Don't act like you don't let me no more. Can I come over? Can I come over? You telling me it's over? Why you telling me it's over? Girl, I wanna roll up on ya. Yeah, I wanna roll up on ya. Can I roll up on ya? Can I roll up on ya?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I have another great video for y'all today. We're starting off looking like an African queen. I'm sure y'all have noticed that I've been starting a lot of my videos with these cool African head wraps. They're so great for when you don't have your hair done already, but that's not what this video is about. So today's video is about a new revolutionary, I don't know if it's that deep, Mary, but this is a big deal. First off, before we truly delve into this video, shout out to all the wig companies that are making it easy for lazy naturals, for these lazy wig wearers like me that don't want to do all the extra. Because y'all know I'm not about that bleach and knot life. I don't like doing that because it takes forever. And the fake scalp method, y'all know for me that was a fail, I've told y'all. And we do have companies that have now done the pre-made fake scalp method, but that has the potential to tear. Yeah, so if you can get a wig that you don't even have to do all that extra stuff with, pre-plucked hairline, you got the bleach knots, and they're not over bleached because y'all know some companies be doing the most when it comes to bleach and knots. Knots that are undetectable, that are invisible. This type of construction will put the pre-made fake scalp method to shame, y'all. And I'm excited because this unit is, y'all, it's bomb. It's real bomb. And this new construction is killer. I didn't even know this was a thing, but let's go ahead and get into it. So this new wig that I'm going to show you guys is from Af Sister. And look at the packaging. They did a good job. They did good. Gerard would like this. This is his favorite color, by the way. So we're going to take this ribbon off and we're going to get into this heat, y'all, because it's about to be fire. Oh, cool. It slides out. Wow, look at that. Come on, Af Sister. And I pray I'm pronouncing their name right. Look at that. Sliding on out. Getting into glory. The wig is packaged so nicely. Okay, so let's look at this hair. Feels like butter. Can y'all see that? Ooh wee child. This is length 18 and it's 150% density. Let's get into this hairline. Looks really, really good. I'm gonna put it on my head in a minute, but I wanna show you all the construction and all. And I want to get in so y'all can see the knots. So for this unit, they have invisible knots, which means that the knots are smaller than what you are accustomed to seeing on your wigs. So with a normal wig, they generally have 3 to 4 strands of hair that they've knotted into the individual holes on the lace. But with this particular cowl construction, what they've done is they've actually only knotted 1 to 2 strands. So it makes the knots really undetectable, which is really awesome. So I'm going to show you all a standard unit compared to this one. This one, like, listen, it looks good. And they've lightly bleached the knots, which is great. So it's not over bleached or anything. They did a very good job. And once I sprayed Sally Hansen, like legit, you won't be able to see anything. It's like they're just gonna disappear. But you could also put foundation powder on the lace, and that would also be something that's good to give you the color that you need. So you can see the knots are so much more visible on this particular unit, which is a normal standard construction where they usually do 3 to 4 knots. See, can y'all see that? The one on the left is the one that has the normal knotting. This one is the undetectable on the right. Pretty much invisible. Can't see the knots because of how they did the knotting on the unit. This is awesome. All right, now let's get into the inside construction. So on the inside, so awesome. We have an elastic band. And I love that companies are doing this more and more now, where they don't just have a regular one that's already pre-sewn on, but you can detach it. So if you decide you don't want to use it, you have that option. You can also adjust it to make it tighter. And this one looks like it has even more rows for you to go in a little tighter if you need to. And I get asked the question all the time about whether you have to use glue or you have to use gel or any type of adhesive. This is really going to help. It does also come with a comb at the bottom, middle, and 2 combs on the side. Let's put this unit on and see how it fits. Mine is in a size medium. Got my set it off braids up going on. Oh yeah, that's much better. All right, so I have my wig on, and I actually have the elastic band on the last clasp, and I like how that looks. Okay, now if you're lighter skinned, this particular lace color is going to be great for you, but we can easily fix that. Don't worry, the Sally Hansen is going to take care of the color. I just want to show you all what it looks like so far. So in the middle, this particular unit has 5.5 to 6 inches of parting space. So you're going to get a lot of parting. This unit fits me so good. I'm gonna do my best to actually show you all that this one is glueless because we have the elastic band, and I often say that the unit, if you have an elastic band, then you don't have to actually secure it down. And this one is laying very, very flat. While it's on my head, this looks, look at that. Once we cut this lace off, that looks good. And this is a 13x6 lace frontal. So you can actually part it from ear to ear. It is free parting. If you want to do a middle part, you can do that. And I'll show you the middle part. Like, look at all that. Like, it goes, look at how deep the parting is. It goes back really far. Now, I'm not going to do a middle part for this one. I want to do a side part. But once we do that, Sally Hansen, ciao. This is going to look real good. Okay. We're going to do that now. Super, super easy. This seems like a unit that you can actually put on and within minutes be ready to go.
You said you always pick up when I call you. You said you always hold me down when I call you. Don't you leave me or call it, baby, call it.
All right, y'all, so I went to change my top and my earrings and everything to bring the look together. And we're going to put the unit on. And for y'all who are wondering why this is not braided, go see my last video.
Call it, baby, call it. Don't you leave me or call it, baby, call it. I admit I might be wasted. All your friends, I know they hate me. You still running and I'm chasing. I don't know, I can't explain it. So can I come over?
All right, I love the way the hair looks right now. And I feel like the texture of the hair, just right out of the package, looks really good. I'm just gonna curl it just a little bit in the front, and then I'll come back on.
Oh, girl, I wish you would make up your mind. I can tell by the look in your eyes, you're not happy with the man you're standing by. just know I'll make you my only one.
Alright y'all, so this hair curled so nicely. It responds really good to being curled. This is probably the best that my hair has turned out with my curl wand with a straighter textured hair. And I literally did not have to do small sections, which is really cool. This looks so awesome. Look at those curls. So I'm just finger combing them out right now. Alright y'all, and we are literally finished. This look took no time at all and it looks so glam, so beautiful, and it looks like we literally spent hours. I'm accustomed to laying a unit down, doing a great deal of work, but for this one, I got this to lay. And I have to do nothing. Honestly, I'm really impressed with this unit from the undetectable, invisible knotting method that they use. I think it's phenomenal and I think more companies should actually use it. That's a really good technique and I feel like it makes the overall appeal of the unit look so much better. Everything in regards to the hairline, all of it, like it lays really flat. And this is actually the first time that I've gotten a unit where I could actually do a side part. Listen. Usually when I get the units that are glueless, I have to do a middle part and then do some waves to kind of cover the sides. But y'all, the way that this unit was constructed, the placement of the elastic band was done so perfectly that I could just sweep my hair behind my ear and it laid really flat. And this unit is it's not going anywhere. I put it on the last clasp and that one was so great for me. I don't have to worry about it lifting or anything. If somebody were to pull it, now they can pull it and if they got a real good grip on it, it's coming off. But if the wind blows or anything, it's very secure. And I just love the amount of parting space. I love the length of this hair. Although it's length 18, I feel like you get more bang for your buck because to me it actually looks like length 20. And the density, it's 150% density. It's very standard. And I feel like it's true in density. It's a great everyday, go to work, date night, go on vacation. Like you can do so much with this unit and it's gonna look really phenomenal. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend. Also check the description box for all the details and specifications for this unit. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
I'll take care.